Welcome guys to our level up series. In the level up series, we are also looking at the contest solutions. So let us see the solutions of today's contest of LeetCode. The very first question was minimum number of chairs in a waiting room. What does the question says? The question says that we are given with a string S, and this particular string S consists of only two letters, either E or L. What does E means? E means that a person will enter the waiting room and take one of the chair present in it. And what does L means? L means that person will leave the waiting room, freeing up a chair. What we need to do is we need to return the minimum number of chairs which are needed, so that return the minimum number of chairs needed so that a chair is available for every person who enters the waiting room. Giving that it is initially empty. Initially empty means no one is in the waiting room. So let us understand this question with the help of an example. If E is given, it means a person is entering a waiting room, occupying a chair. And if L is given, then a person is leaving the waiting room, freeing up a chair. So what does it mean? In example number one, we are given with E. It means a person will enter. Again E, then a person will again enter. It means here only E is there. It means the person will keep on entering. And at a particular moment, there will be 7 persons present in a waiting room. So we need a maximum of 7 chairs. So what we will return? We will return 7. Example 2 is much better. So let us understand example number 2. What does example 2 says? Here we have E, L, E, L, E, E, L. So initially there is no one in the waiting room. One person will enter the waiting room. He will require a chair. So number of chairs required is 1. He will leave the waiting room. The number of chairs required are 0 at this particular moment. Again, a person will enter, number of chairs required are 1. He will leave, the chairs required are 0. Again, a person will enter, number of chairs required will be 1. Again, it will be 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then a person will leave, the number of chairs required will be 1. So what we observed is, at any particular moment, what is the maximum number of chairs required? It was 2. So what we will do, we will return. So for this only, the question is very straightforward. We have developed an approach. What we did is we have computed the length of the string first of all. After computing the length, we have made one counter C. What does this C will do? C will tell us the number of chairs required at that particular moment. Then we have made one variable answer to store our answer. In answer, we will store the maximum number of chairs required at any particular moment. C is going to tell us what are the number of chairs required at that particular moment. And in answer variable, we will store number of chairs required, maximum number of chairs required at any particular C. So for int I equals to 0, I less than length I plus plus. If S at the index of I double equals to E, it means a person is entering a room. So he will need a chair. So what we are doing, we are incrementing the value of C. Otherwise, what we are doing, we are decrementing the value of C. It means a person is leaving the room, he's freeing up a chair. So the C value will get decremented. Once this condition will gets completed, any one of the statement will execute, either C will increment or C will decrement. After that, in C, we will have the number of chairs required at that particular moment. So what we will do, answer is equals to max of C comma answer. So in answer variable, we will have the maximum number of chairs required at any moment. And at the end, this loop gets completed, we will return the answer value. So I hope the question is clear to you all. I have already showed you the diagram with the help of example number 2. So if the question is clear, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.